AP Biology, Chapter 3, Water and the Environment. The concept we're discussing today is acid rain. Acid rain or acid precipitation is unusually acidic. It possesses very high levels of hydrogen ions, and as we know from the definition of pH, what that means is that it has a very low pH. This is because of the formula pH is the negative logarithm of the concentration of hydrogen ions in a solution. Acid rain can have very harmful effects on plants, aquatic animals, and infrastructure through the process of wet deposition. So as we can see here, for example, these trees are killed by acid rain. There's also the possibility of acid snow. In the example here, Harvard University has started covering up many of their statues to prevent their damage and corrosion by acid rain. What causes acid rain? Acid rain is actually caused by emissions of sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxides. These typically are emitted by the burning of fossil fuels. Sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxides combine with water molecules in the atmosphere and produce various acids. These acids have a very corrosive effect. Now, many governments have made efforts since the 1970s to reduce the amount of nitrogen oxides and sulfur dioxide into the atmosphere. Nitrogen oxides can also be produced naturally through lightning strikes, and sulfur dioxide is actually produced by volcanic eruptions. These gaseous pollutants in the atmosphere can also be deposited on the surface of the ground, on trees and the atmosphere and the environment through dry deposition without precipitation with water. So there are natural causes. There are also the burning of fossil fuels that can cause acid rain. So any rain, snow, or fog with a pH lower than 5.2 is acid rain, and it damages life in lakes, streams, rivers, and on lands. Now, carbon dioxide creates a reflective blanket over the planet that prevents heat from radiating into outer space. This is a different concept called the greenhouse effect. It's quite different from acid rain.